Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And this time around we are stopped at a small town in Nebraska. You can see by all this corn growing right here. And so for those of you who don't know, we recently got a brand new Nintendo Switch, which is quite nice. The only bad thing though is that one day we left it out and Pickles chewed up one of our JoyCons. So now I'm gonna try and fix it. This episode may bore some people, so if you're not wanting to see me fix this, then you certainly don't have to watch it all. So during this summer, I had a little cell phone repair business where I would replace people's cracked cell phone screens or replace their batteries. And so I'm going to be using the tools that I used for that to try and fix this JoyCon. Alrighty, so the first thing we need to do is take the cover off. Alrighty, so I got the case off. Looks like we have the battery right here, and this part is mostly just button caps, but it has a little ribbon cable connecting this to the rest of the board. But now we need to take the front cover off in order to fix the damage. Alrighty, I have removed the main processor board here. It was kind of tricky because first I had to remove the button caps for the triggers in order to actually get to the screws, and I had to remove the battery temporarily as well. But I managed to remove the main processor board, and now we have the actual, just the top piece of plastic here with the rumble motor. So now I can mess with the plastic that Pickles actually messed up. Alrighty, it took some time and I had to break out the heat gun, but I sort of fixed it. I sort of mangled what Pickles mangled into something that's somewhat usable again, and now the buttons should work normally. Now just to put it back together. Well, there it is. It works. Barely. It's not pretty, but it works. And now if you want to press that button, you have to use a screwdriver. But it works now. So do I at least get points for trying? Yeah.